Buddha, his main teaching is Karuna. On the basis of Karuna, Ahimsa. Buddha himself, product of 1,000-year-old India's tradition, over 3,000. The concept of Ahimsa and Karuna. Buddha more elaborate, and he taught a lot of sort of philosophical views. I think the main thing is we usually call Patitta Samuppada. Everything interdependence. Nothing exists independently. It appears something there, you here, one human being here, one Indian, appears like independent. But the reality, if I investigate, where is this person? I only see body, not the person. And mind. Besides mind and body, where is the person? So that is the, I think, unique sort of Buddhist sort of philosophical view. That antidote, all sort of destructive emotions such as anger, attachment. So these destructive emotions develop. The object, they are something independent. So this philosophical view is the antidote. You see, to reduce that strong grasping things there. One American scientist, he also, you see, mentioned to me, he over several decades, you see, he treated people who much disturb their mind because of anger. And he told me, see, according to his sort of finding, investigation, after a few decades dealing with such patient, his conclusion is nothing independently exists. Person who develop anger, that moment, you see, the object which they feel angry appears very negative, but 90% of that negativeness is mental projection. Like that. So Buddha's teaching, you see, firstly, there was the ahimsa and compassion. And then further deeper, he explained the whole system of our emotion, positive emotion based on reason. Therefore, we can further develop through training. The destructive emotion, no proper basis, just emotion. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All major world religious tradition, same potential. In spite in different philosophy, all carry same message of love, forgiveness, tolerance. In philosophical field, Buddha Dharma is something unique. As I mentioned earlier, you see, he emphasizes investigation. Therefore, Nalanda tradition can go modern science side by side. According to my own experience, now over 30 years, nearly 40 years, I have serious discussion with modern scientists. So I found that kind of discussion is a mutual benefit, mutual learning, like that.